Good morning, all lovely students of grade 5. Hopefully, you all are doing good, safe at home, and also doing your revision in a well way. So, guys, did you revise the last chapter? Means block 1, the evolution of humans. So, today we are going to revise block 2, stone tools, and this block is divided into four parts. These four parts are 1. Paleolithic age, 2. Mesolithic age, 3. Neolithic and चाल्कोलिथिक एज और इसको कैल्कोलिथिक एज भी कहते हैं। आपको डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे ये दोनों प्रोनाउंसिएशन मिलेंगे, चाल्कोलिथिक भी और कैल्कोलिथिक भी। And number 4, Iron Age. So, first we will discuss about, yes, Paleolithic Age. What were the different types of tools made by early humans during the Paleolithic Age? As you know, the different types of tools made by the early humans during the Paleolithic Age were hand axes for cutting, cleavers for splitting, choppers for chopping, and burins for engraving on bones और soft stones. इंग्रेविंग मीन्स होता है किसी चीज़ में डिज़ाइन बनाना, उसे तराशना. ओके, सो what do these tools tell us about how the early humans lived during the Paleolithic Age or the Old Stone Age? Yes, all dear students, Paleolithic Age is also known as Old Stone Age. So, guys, these tools tell us about the day to day life of the early humans during the Old Stone Age. And we know that they used hand axes for cutting and choppers for chopping. The size and shape of the tools tell us that they were used for very basic works. Okay, so now we will discuss about Mesolithic age and tools of this age. What types of tools were made during the Mesolithic age? The types of tools made during the Mesolithic age were small tools such as blade, core, and point, which were known as microliths. What were they known? Microliths. And core, it is in cylindrical shape. Point, it is in triangular in shape. Point, it is name of a tool. Then blade, it is used for cutting a sharp edge. And lunate, used as arrowheads. Okay, guys. Then uh, they had geometrical shapes. As I told you, point in triangular, core in cylindrical, and other. So, how were they different from the tools made during the Old Stone Age or, yes, or the Paleolithic Age? So, tools in the Paleolithic Age were bigger in shape than in the Mesolithic Age, and these small tools were made using the fluted core technique. Okay, then what did you notice about the tools made during the Mesolithic age? So, simply we notice that Mesolithic tools were smaller in size compare than Paleolithic age and looked sharper. Means the tools were used in Paleolithic age were not as sharp as Mesolithic tools. Okay, means day by day they are improving in their tools. And are they better than the tools made during the Paleolithic age? If your answer is yes, so why? Yes. Our answer is yes. And why it is yes? Because they seem better than the stone tools made during the Paleolithic age, as the Mesolithic ones were sharper, smaller, and easier to carry. As you know, if anything is big in size, it is hard to hold or carry in hands. But if the tools are smaller, they are easily we can hold in our hands, and if they are more sharp and bitter, so they will work very nicely, very fine. Okay, guys. So now answer the next questions. What kinds of tools were used in the Neolithic and Chalcolithic ages? So, during the Neolithic age, stone tools continued to be used, but in the Chalcolithic age, tools were made of copper. As you can see in the name of Chalcolithic, okay? So, and what kinds of tool? Yeah, I told you that in Neolithic, same tools, and Chalcolithic, yes, copper tools. Okay, guys. Now, how did the tools change from the Neolithic age to the Chalcolithic age? Nice question. As people started realizing the benefits of copper, they began making tools out of it. As you know, today our water purifier is also coming in, yeah, copper plated, है ना? And most of the people who know the benefits of copper, they are using copper glass and copper utensils in their routine life. And more varieties of tools began to appear in the Chalcolithic age. If we talk about the differences, so in Neolithic age, polished stone tools, sickles, arrowheads, pottery at initial stage, and small huts. And in Chalcolithic age, tools and ornaments of made up of copper, and painted pottery were also available, and small huts are converted into mud houses. Okay, how are the tools of the Neolithic age and Chalcolithic age different from each other? Yes, that is also nice. So, in the Neolithic age, there were tools made of stone and bone. Tools such as sickles, arrowheads, and stone axes were used for farming, hunting, and clearing forest. But in Chalcolithic age, Chalcolithic tools were made of copper along with other stone tools. And copper tools were also used for making ornaments. Ornaments, you know, na? Jewelry. Jewelry. Okay, guys. Now we will talk about the Iron Age, and it is very close to our present age. So, first, I want to ask you, what difference do you notice between the tools of the Iron Age and the previous ages? So, The Iron Age tools are made of iron, and Stone Age tools are made up of stone. Stone Age tools were stronger and did not break easily, whereas the Stone Age tools were heavy, है ना. स्टोन तो हैवी होता ही है, वी ऑल नो. एंड आयरन एज टूल्स आर easy to use, where stone age tools are heavy to use, means difficult to use. And iron age tools can be molded in different shapes, where stone age tools are not available in many shapes. So, what were the tools made during the Iron Age? Hmm. Hmm. So, the tools made during the Iron Age were chisels, spears, and flat axes. And other tools like knife or some more tools. Then, however, they different from the Stone Age tools. So they were different from the Stone Age tools as they were made up of iron, main difference, and Stone Age में stone, and they were of a wider variety, which were Iron Age tools were of a wider variety, so they could suit the different needs of the people living in the Iron Age. And it is not possible with Stone Age tools. So, guys, after this revision class, I must say that go back to your content book and again read, or not read, study block 2 stone tools carefully, underline or highlights all the important lines or the facts that you think it is important, and do a good preparation for your exams. And please, not only for your exams, also do your preparation for your better future, for improving your knowledge. Okay, so your today's revision work is study block 2 stone tools carefully. So best of luck for your today's revision of block 2. Thank you. Have a nice day.